morning, children. Today we will discuss about gravity. Gravity is denoted by small g. Gravitational force exerted by the earth on an object is called gravity. That means gravity is the force of attraction between earth and object. Let us say M, capital M is the mass of the earth and small m is the mass of the object. And the distance between the center of the earth to object is r. Then according to Newton's law of gravitation, F equals to gmm by r square, where g is a constant, m is the mass of earth and small m is mass of the object and r is the distance from center to object. Then according to Newton's second law of motion, F equals to ma. But a is acceleration, that is acceleration due to gravity it will take, then F equal to mg. So now we will have two equations, F equal to gmm by r square and F equal to mg. Now we are going to compare these two equations. If we compare these two, left hand side is same, so right hand side also same. So here you see mg equals to gmm by r square. Mg equals to gmm by r square. Here small m mass of the object, here also small m mass of the object, they will cancel. So what is left behind is small g equals to gm by r square. So this is the relationship between small g and capital G. Okay, small g and capital G. Now capital G, constant quantity, universal constant. M, mass of the object, also constant. Mass of the earth is constant, and r is radius of the earth, that is also vary from place to place. But here you see g and m both are constant. So in place of these two we can write constant by r square. So which gives you g is directly proportional to 1 by r square. That means when r increases, small g decreases. When g decreases, small r increases. And you know the shape of the earth is not same. It is elliptical in shape. This is center of the earth. This one is equator and this one is your pole. So distance from the equator to center and distance from the center to pole is not same. Here distance of the equator is more. So if radius is more, acceleration due to gravity is less. So it is minimum at equator. And here in pole distance is less, so it is maximum at pole. So acceleration due to gravity is maximum at pole, minimum at equator. When we move from center of the earth, away from center of the earth, from surface to above the surface, slowly acceleration due to gravity decreases and finally it becomes zero. Okay, so acceleration due to gravity decreases when we move above the surface of the earth. In space, acceleration due to gravity is zero. So you see the acceleration due to gravity is not a constant quantity. It varies from place to place. It can be zero, it can be maximum, it can be minimum. But on surface of earth, we can calculate small g by using formula small g equals to gm by r square. Now how to calculate? Small g equals to capital G, the value of capital G you know 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into m, mass of the earth, that is also constant, 6 into 10 to the power 24, and here r square, the radius 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. If you will calculate this, then you will get 9.8 meter per second square approximately. So what does it mean? On the surface of the earth, it is 9.8 meter per second square. So this meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity. So acceleration due to gravity is also a vector quantity. Okay. When object falls on the ground, suppose we are releasing the object from a height, then object falls under the action of gravity. So if a body falls towards the center under the influence of the gravity, then it is called free fall. Special name is given to it, is free fall. When object falls freely, it falls under the action of gravity. For freely falling body does not depend upon mass of the object. If in a vacuum The objects are dropped from the same height, you will see they will drop at the same time, same point. But here mass, they are independent of mass. So different experiments were done by Robert Boyle. One experiment was done, coin and feather experiment. So he has dropped one coin, heavy object, feather, light object in a vacuum tube, and he found that both fall together on the ground. That means free fall does not depend upon mass of the object. It is independent of mass of the object. Acceleration due to gravity is not constant, it varies from place to place. It is 0 in space. When you go away from the surface, it decreases. So this is all about acceleration due to gravity. More we discussed in class. Thank you.